How to make thumbnail in Canva. So in Canva, you can create your thumbnail from scratch, or you can use their pre-made templates. So when creating thumbnail from scratch, you can use these tools here, such as elements. You can use different elements here. So you can also click text, in which it will provide you a variety of designs for your text. You can also go here in uploads and upload your images, videos, and audio. But if you want to use the pre-made templates, go to design and then click templates. So it will show you different templates that you can use for your video. So if you don't see templates that reflects your thumbnail, you can use the search bar and input in words that describes your vlog or your video. Then you can click styles to select solid colors. So for this, I'll be using this template. Now I can replace these photos by deleting them. I'll go to uploads. So to upload, all you have to do is click on upload files. Select the photos that you'll be uploading and then click open, which will immediately be uploaded in Canva. So I'll just drag these images in the template. So you can crop these photos by double clicking them and then adjust their positions. So just click done once done. And then you can add your touches to this thumbnail to personalize it. Then you can add more frames from elements to add more photos. So just drag the photo to the frame. So that is how you make thumbnail in Canva. Thank you and have a great day.